for us to set the tent and get right to editing.
Okay.
I think we just gotta connect all of them first. It can't be that hard. 5 hours later.
It's too short.
How do people do this by themselves? Like, whoa, it's coming to life. Like, that's what it looks like. Dude, we got it. Oh, well, if you got, yeah, we got it.
I'm gonna just say, put this all over the, This is so cute. I don't know if this should be,
I'm gonna take this home after.
I don't know if, this is so like, this should have been like, used like outdoors. Like, it's like a waste to just see it ourselves only. That's how pretty it is.
Dude, it's a balloon.
Yeah, you go uneasy. Are we just gonna go in?
No, I'm making it nice and cozy inside.
Alright, nice.
Dude, our butts are gonna be so comfortable.
A picnic is not a picnic without the snacks.
Yeah, can you bring that later?
After that?
Yeah, let me just...
Can I come in? Okay. I think that's the biggest it can get.
And I think I'm supposed to put the wire inside the ball.
Through that? Is that even possible? And then it says that you have to fill it up with air again, and then knot it. Wow! There you go. Now just click the thing. There you go.
It only took.
Oh, it looks like he's blowing it.
Yeah.
All right, whatever.
It only took 75 minutes, guys. It's okay.
All right, we got that done.
Hello, we have
The
finally finished making the tent inside this wonderful house. It only took 84 minutes.
How should?
While Mark was setting all the whole tent up, I was making a song. Mark was making a tent.
A tent.
But then he
Ooh,
made
this is
it
good.
so bad. We should make our own TV show. Call it Johnny
Yo, this is so
and maybe Mark.
This is so dramatic. The mood. It's like
Yeah.
suspense.
Yes. My music genre is suspense, guys. Thank you for tuning in.
Yo, you wanna do cheers? I'm actually kind of thirsty. Ready? Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Our first movie.
Dude, we're like Ben Affleck
And Matt Damon.
and Matt Damon. Dude, what's that movie called, dude?
Good Will Hunting.
Yeah,
it's
dude.
one of my favorite movies.
It's our Good Will Hunting. This movie is our Good Will
Dude,
Hunting.
you're making me feel so much more like emotional now. This is our Good Will Hunting.
Nice.
You guys are witnessing Johnny's and Mark's first good.
Oh, you don't know me any better. I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks.
Now I'm trying to get back to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Whatever. Yo, you see that? First movie today, first ukulele song today. I don't know you,
But I want you.
all the more for that. Take this sinking boat and point it on. I want to see how our two shots came out, like the handshake. We probably looked so dumb.
When's my mom's birthday? I think.
Yeah, we look cute. Head hurts. Our own cuts, our own slates, our own actions, and our own cues.
Why'd we talk so much?
Because we were planning it all while we were acting.
Did we really film anything?
We pretty much fooled around the whole time.
We didn't get any work done.
아니야 했어.
Dude,
No,
I
but like
swear we filmed more though. I swear. Like,
What am I supposed to say?
on 1.
6, 7, 8.
1. Johnny's got the editing done. Almost
When's the launch date?
Almost done.
okay, Jafam, thanks for tuning in on another episode of Johnny's Communication with Mark Lee.
Mark Lee over here. We were like, we didn't know how funny this could ever
Yeah.
get, you know?
No, I knew it was gonna be funny.
I actually didn't.
I just didn't think it was gonna be this funny.
I mean, because like looking at each other act and like doing that, you know, that concept itself was really funny.
While editing, we noticed how most of it was just us making the idea.
And just laughing.
Yeah, and then everything else was just like one take once we got it.
Yeah.
Like, anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys stay safe.
JCC.
JCC.
Peace, guys.